Local 23's Tylisa Hampton in Weslaco speaking to some of the residents about this ongoing problem.
Flash flooding is nothing new for Noe Mendoza.
We know how to skin this cat already.
He and his neighbors in Las Burias are used to it.
I moved here about 20 years ago, and I've seen it steadily do a little bit better and then back to not so good.
He's one of the only ones tired of the constant flooding.
We've been living here for already since 2002, and this is our 5th time flooding. So, but lately, in the last 3 years, that's been like a common thing.
This year, multiple residents like Diana Espinoza on Facebook expressed their frustrations.
Everybody was complaining. Everybody was complaining. Everybody was saying that this is the 3rd time in a row, 3rd year in a row happening. Everybody's tired of this.
Residents in the area like Diana have their own theory on why the flooding is continuous.
Probably the project that they're doing, the little lake next to contain the water, to pump it over there from the canal, is helping, but I don't think it's finished, and they should try to finish it so it will this won't happen again.
A lot of our neighbors have come together this last time flood through social media, and we plan to push a little more for things to get a little better here.
That was Tylisa reporting. Now, Local 23 did contact the commissioner for Hidalgo Precinct 1, but to no avail. We're told the subdivision did clear up, but the residents hope the city can find a solution to this ongoing problem.